How pretty is this lake though? Oh. Might be a better fish than I think. Spot. It's a spot. Nice spot. Solid spotted bass. Where's that largemouth? That's a largemouth. First largemouth of the trip. Looky there. Well, guys, I'm out on Lake JOCASSEE, one of the most pretty lakes in the world. You're gonna see some footage of me just driving around here. But listen, I've got fish busting. That right there is the first fish on Lake JOCASSEE. Nice little largemouth. They're schooling all over here. And we are going to keep trying to catch them. All right, guys. Ready? Because we're hoping for a smallmouth. That's really what we're hoping for. But we'll take them. See you later. There's one. Oh, it's 5/8. It's not a smallmouth. Nice fish though. Oh my goodness, and there's like 4 of them behind it. It's a large, or no, is that a smallmouth? No, it's a spot, it's a spot. Nice spot. Nice spot. Solid fish right there. Swimbait. Catches a fish. Beautiful spot. Barely hooked. There we go. Fish number 2 on day. And JOCASSEE. Spotted bass. Yep, he's got the scratchy tongue. Hey, a smallmouth and we complete the species slam. How cool would that be? How cool would that be? I want to get a weight on 1.7. 1.69. I said 1.7. There we go. Solid spot. All right, buddy. See you later. This is the prettiest lake I've ever been on. It's ridiculous. All these mountains, rocks, just everything. Forest all around. All right, well, I'm gonna be fishing here and there, but now my family's here gonna do some waterfall exploring. And yeah, look how cool this lake is. All up here. This is awesome. Hey, the fish is not gonna be good, at least you can come through there. Wow. Alright guys, we're gonna head on up the rocks. Up the rocks. Up the rocks. Straddle the stream. I'm gonna go like this. Up the rock. Up the rock. Boom. Wow. This one's so cool. Sick shot. Going. Think about that waterfall. Real mother. I think that's a smallmouth. I think it was when it jumped. It is a smallmouth.
It's a smallmouth, Gus.
How do I swing it up here?
No, I'll grab him. Don't do that. Oh gosh.
Sorry.
A smallmouth bass.
There you go, Gus.
Yay!
That's a smallmouth. Look at that.
Take a picture.
Look at there, Gus.
Mother caught a smallmouth. A smallmouth. We have a largie, we have a spot, and we have a smallie now on the boat. Oh, see you guys. All right, that's a trifecta for the boat. Now I gotta try to get a trifecta for myself. What the heck, buddy? It's another smallie? Oh, spotted bass.
Spotted bass.
Oh no, what is it?
Well, now you pick
Spotted bass. Spotted bass on
There you go, Gus.
the burner worm with the woo Ned head.
There. Well done.
I got one. Be a smallmouth. It might be a smallie. Can't tell. Yeah, it's a little smallmouth, I think. Yeah, it's a little smallmouth. It's a smallmouth. Smallmouth. Yes. I'm so excited to catch this little smallmouth. Finally, I got the trifecta for the day with this little baby smallmouth. I've caught myself first a largemouth, then a spot, now a smallie. He's a tiny guy, but I'm so excited to catch him. All right, get a picture, get him back in the water. All right, buddy. Thank you for biting. We'll see you later. Well, that guy liked the largemouth, came on this little baby swim bait. I like the chartreuse tail, a little 2.8 inch swim bait. Get another one. All right, everyone, that's going to finish up today on Lake JOCASSEE. It was a fun day. Got to do some fishing. Caught the trifecta today. Smallmouth, largemouth, and spotted bass. And that was a fun day. Did some exploring. But if you liked the video, then like it. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you next time. We're going to have one more South Carolina video we're going to shoot tomorrow. So look forward to that. We'll see you later.